Hey, we arrived at the final element. I'm not sure how you feel about it, but I'm happy. It's called the mingling element. And let us do another floor and call it the networking floor. And just try it out. Let's just put in a room, call it mingling. Drag and drop the element. Give it a listing extra large. Doesn't matter which one you choose, it just looks different. So I'll choose the extra large. And I will look at the results. Now we have two floors. We have the welcome floor that we created before, and we have the networking floor with the mingling element. What does the mingling element do? Let's check it out. Let's hit join and see what it says. So what it says is welcome to the mingling area, and now people have to click on start to mingle to start the mingling. What this does is, in the background, it's looking for other people who are also joining the mingling element, and then I'm being matched with a person from here, randomly. And I will get 3 minutes with a countdown running down. Both parties see the same countdown, and while it's running down, I can speak to the person, and then after 3 minutes, I'm getting matched to somebody else. Now, after the mingling is over, and unfortunately I can't show it to you now how it looks like, but you can just test it out inside of one of our demo spaces. And when I leave this element and enter it again, I see previous matches. So right now I don't have previous matches because my account is completely new, but you will see here who you have met before, which is nice, a nice thing to have, because you just get a list of people who you have met. And that's basically it. Now, what happens if you have multiple mingling elements? You can have that. And actually, you know what? Let's just copy this entire thing and call this mingling 2. And this is mingling 1. Now, mingling elements are not connected. So when I have multiple mingling elements, it's difficult to pronounce, people will mingle within the element. So basically, when I enter the mingling element here and start to mingle, I will be matched only with the people here, and if I mingle here, I will only be matched with the people who enter this element. Now, this is really only for really large events, over 1,000 people. If you have over 1,000 people, then you can use multiple mingling areas. Otherwise, I would highly recommend to just do one mingling area and also have it inside of the schedule, inside of a very tight time frame. So just say 15 minutes mingling from now till then. Don't have it in a break. Have it as an actual point in the agenda to exchange contacts here, because otherwise not enough people will make the jump and go inside of there. Okay, so that's it. Anything else? Yeah, maybe just one final tip here. So instead of doing multiple mingling areas, just call this one speed dating or mingling, whatever, and then put another room with the name group tables or something like that. Drag and drop a video call and have a let's do multiple of those, 4. And this is just a slight recommendation. You can do it any way you see fit. But what I would recommend is putting open tables underneath the mingling area. So sometimes people really enjoy speaking with each other, and 3 minutes is just, this is set, you can't change this. So sometimes this is really just not enough. And then you can say, hey, let's meet up at the group tables, and then you join the group table and you meet somebody else. And yeah, this is again just a recommendation. And yeah, that was it with all of the elements. And now I'll probably just do a couple of best practice videos.